Hello world, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany. Today I'm here with Lily, my pineapple conure. So this week I have an idea and I want to make it Pet Appreciation Week just because I love my birds. It's no special occasion. So every video this week is going to have something to do with my pets because I love them. So today, it's Monday, we're going to make bird treats. So the first thing we're going to do is start out with a mixture of honey nut and regular Cheerios. Oh, fail. And then we're just going to crush them up a little bit. Next thing we're going to do is add in some of your bird's favorite seeds. Next, just add some raisins. About a tablespoon should be good. Last but not least, we're going to mix in some honey. I used a little bit less than a tablespoon. Just mix it up now. Woo. I failed. They came out looking dumb. So they didn't keep their shape. I think I put too much honey in there. I'm sad. See, they got kind of flattened out. And now it's hard because it's hard to take them off the foil. But I managed to chip off this little piece. Let's see if Lily likes it. Hi Lily, do you want to try this? Oh, she took all of it. Do you like it, Lily? Yeah? Yeah, I'm glad, bird. I'm glad you like it, Lily. Is it yummy? Is it yummy, Lily? Do you like it? So, the verdict's in. They kind of fell apart and they kind of squashed down, but birds still like them. Yay! So that's all for today, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Ask your questions and comments in the comment section below, and I will see you on Wednesday. Bye! Say bye, Lily. Still munching and crunching.